Welcome back, guys. So today I am going to show you the easiest way I have found to remove dip nails, gel nails. A lot of people just think you need to soak in acetone for an hour just to get this done, and that's not the case, you guys. There's a easier, faster way, especially using dip powders is what I want to focus on. Now, if you have acrylic to where they're actually using monomer and your nails are super long and thick, you're going to need to file most of that bulk off, trim the nails down, then proceed to the removal method that I'm about to show you. Acetone, cotton balls, foil, finger cots. That's what you're going to need to get started with this process. So you're going to dip the cotton balls in the acetone as usual, wrap them around the nail, make sure it's soaked really good, then wrap a piece of foil nice and tight around that finger. Now you're going to grab the finger cot, and this is where the hack comes in to make this process a lot faster. So finish wrapping the rest of the fingers, and once you get that done, I want you to get a bowl of hot water. Now take your fingers and dip them into that hot water. Don't make it super hot to where your fingers are boiling, people. Just, pretty warm. And then you're gonna let that set for about 5 to 10 minutes. I always just put it in front of my TV and watch a show or my laptop. The hot water will heat up that acetone and just cause that product to just slide off the nail, as shown right here. As I'm taking the foil and the finger cot off, I'm putting a lot of pressure where the product is just to kind of help really pull it off. Now, some of the nails that had some glitter built up that were just a little bit thicker than the rest, I had to apply the foil back on it, re-soak it for about 5 more minutes. When I dip my nails, I usually do 4 to 5 layers of dip. Now, if you're just using a gel polish, this will take it off so much faster than dip, for sure. Depending on how thick your nails are, you may have to sit there a little bit longer than me. Typically, my max time is around 15 to 20 minutes, never longer. Again, if you have super thick nails, file those suckers down and then go in with this process. So I'm just going to slide the foil back over my fingers that had just that built up glitter, let them soak an additional 5 minutes, and then they come off very easily. A couple of my nails did have a little residue, but they push off very simple. Sometimes I just scrape them off with my fingernails like so. Again, play with this method. I promise it's so much faster than just leaving your nails in a bowl soaking. After you do this process, I always like to nourish my nails with some olive oil. If you have some cuticle oils and stuff like that, you can use that, but this is in my cabinet. I don't have to go out and buy anything else, so super easy to use, and it will strengthen those nails back up. After that, I just lotion everything because your hands get super dry with all the acetone. And that's it, you guys. I can go right back into dipping or putting some gel or redoing my nails however I want. Super easy, super fast way to remove them and start all over again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like if you found it helpful and consider subscribing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.